Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 20th, 2021. This is going to be our Apple stock prediction. Should we come through right now and double down on this stock, expecting the market to go up? Like, that's the question that I'm posing to you today. I'm going to give you all my thoughts, my prediction as to where I'm looking for the market in Apple to go to see if we do need to double down. Or maybe we just need to kick back and let the market continue to trade and let the price go down. Because you guys can see from my last video, my last price prediction, we were playing in weakness in Apple. And, you know, there were times for us to see the price go down. There were times to where we was profitable into the market in Apple. You guys can visually tell, right? From October the 1st all the way to October the 13th, those were our opportunities for us to eat off the play, right? It didn't go all the way down to our expected ascending line, which we were prepared to see if the weakness was going to continue. But obviously, the market in Apple doesn't want to go all the way down to that ascending line, or at least not yet. So now I wanted to come through and give you all my newest thoughts, my newest prediction in Apple. So at the end of this video, maybe you can let me know, should we double down in Apple stock, or should we expect the market to continue to go down, to go lower? So make sure you guys keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because you don't want to miss out on our price predictions in this space. So now, real quick, we're still looking pretty good into the market in Apple for the long term, right? We've been following the overall trend in Apple, and we're still golden for us to see the price go up. As long as Apple's price trades above that line, we will always go up, period. So that, from that standpoint, we're still good, okay? So let me break in a little bit closer on our last price prediction. Like I said, if you guys wasn't able to eat off the market right here on the low of October the 4th, and then again on October the 6th, which is around what, 2.67%, not a lot, you would be down currently 4.85, right? And this is how you're able to minimize losses, because we're still seeing that the market obviously is stronger than it is weaker. Because if the market was still weak, then we wouldn't have seen the market go down these small amount of days. The market would still be exhibiting weakness today, and price will still be within our price target area of profitability, but it's not. So it tells us that there's still a lot of strength involved into the market in Apple. And when that's the case, you need to get out the way, right? You need to minimize that loss, take that 4.85%, because you're still looking for the market to go up, and you want to minimize the losses now rather than increase them. So let me get rid of that. And the biggest thing that I'm seeing that is going to hang up Apple price from progressing higher is already right here. So I'm seeing it already. It's around $150. That is the spot. That is the location that we can see Apple's price get hung up. Yeah, I'm already seeing that. So as I do this price prediction, keep that in mind, right? Keep it in mind that, yeah, HueFin did tell me that the market could get hung up at $150. Sure did. But look at this. This is the 3-day time frame, right? Look at this. The last completed, right, 3-day time frame in Apple kind of shows us that 150 ain't gonna be a problem. It kind of looks like the market is gonna break $150 to the upside. We might even make all-time highs on this next leg up. What do y'all think? Look at that 3-day price bar right there. Looks decent, looks healthy. Look like the market has an agenda to try to go somewhere, and it looked like it's trying to go up. Appreciate the market giving us this information, because without it, we wouldn't know where price was going to go. Look at this. Earnings is coming up October 28th, 8 days away. Earnings is coming up. So again, the market is going to act on the earnings. The earnings is not going to make the price move. No, the market is going to act off of it, meaning they're getting in position right now, today, October the 20th. Even over the last 3 days, the market is getting prepared for this event. That is why price in Apple is going up right now, because they already know those individuals, those companies, those businesses who are involved in Apple, they're already getting in position. But so many times it is the retail investor, the retail trader, who waits on the day of the earnings and then expect the market to move. No, you need to be proactive. You need to already be in position. So when October 28th comes, You can just kick back and relax. Market always predicts. It's the retail investor, the retail trader who sits back and waits on this day and then expect the market to move. You already got to be there. And right now in this 3-day time frame, the market has already seen what the expectations is going to be. So it's being priced in, right? I know you guys, if you guys been in the market long, that is a big notion that is being known, and the market is priced in. So whatever the expectation is on October the 28th, it is being priced in now. That's why the market is going up now. So when October the 28th comes and Apple comes back down, you guys will say, well, the earnings was great. They beat the revenue estimates, the analyst expectations. But why in the world would Apple stock go down? Because they're pricing it in now. That's why. The market doesn't act the day of. So that's the 3-day time frame. This is the 5-day time frame in Apple. And I'm still liking what has been occurring, especially on this last 5-day price bar. We're trying to go somewhere. And it's trying to go up. And I'm going to play the strength into the market in Apple based on what we're getting on these varying time frames. Now the question is, how high? Because Apple stock has made all-time highs right there on the weekly price bar of September the 7th. Okay. Can we make all-time highs in Apple stock again? Could be. I'm not expecting the market to get hung up around 150. I'm looking for the market to break that to the upside, but we have very limited area to try to gauge where the next sell point is going to be. Very limited area. Okay. So this is the 2 weeks time frame in Apple, and it still looks strong. So I'm going to go ahead and do the prediction real quick and give you all my expectations as to where price is anticipated to go. Okay. So now, let me take this. I want to see where support has to be maintained in Apple stock in order for us to allow this play to continue on. Okay, so it's going to be around $142 for us to let the market go up. Okay, as long as Apple's price continues to trade above 142, and bring down slightly more, like $141.50, give or take. We're going to expect the price to go up. Okay, so now I'm looking for the market to break 150 to the upside, but obviously let's eat off the market right there. It's only 0.81%, but we understand that we could get rejected at $150 again. So make it like 151.70. That would be the first area for us to eat out the market, 151.70, give or take. And then I'm ultimately going to look for the price to come up here towards all-time highs again. Okay, in Apple, and then eventually make all-time highs. So I'm going to extend it higher than the all-time high spot in Apple. And this is how we're going to play the market now. Okay. So you guys can see it. This is my updated price prediction into the market in Apple. Question is to you, double down or should we just wait? That's the question. Because if you're looking for the price in Apple to go well, yeah, maybe you might want to double down. I mean, what do you think? What is your price prediction into the market in Apple? It's just that easy, just that simple. Hit me up. Leave me the comment right now as to where you think the price is going to be, because this is my thoughts. This is my expectations as to where I'm looking for the price to move. Now I want to know, where are you looking for the price to move in Apple? Hit me up. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.